The ultimate Nubbin Black Mirror device reviews tutorial from 0 to Pro in 1 minute. If you've ever struggled with tech that promises more than it delivers, most people get this wrong by assuming all smart home devices are equal. The surprising truth about the Nubbin Black Mirror device is that it combines advanced display technology with AI features designed to enhance your daily routine. First, understand the core features. You won't believe how this device merges a smart mirror, a touchscreen interface, and real-time updates for weather news and calendar events. It also supports voice commands and integrates seamlessly with smart home systems, making it more than just a mirror. Next, setup and installation. Most people get this wrong by skipping the instructions, which can cause connection issues. The Nubbin Black Mirror device installs easily on any wall with standard mounts. Connect to Wi-Fi, pair with your devices, and follow the guided setup for full functionality. Look at performance. The surprising truth is that the device responds quickly, even with multiple apps running simultaneously. Users report smooth touch response, clear visuals, and accurate voice recognition, making daily tasks faster and more convenient. Finally, check user reviews. You won't believe how many people praise its sleek design and multifunctionality. Beyond just being a mirror, it transforms a bathroom or bedroom into a smart space that keeps you informed and organized. In conclusion, the Nubbin Black Mirror device can take you from 0 to Pro in smart home innovation. By understanding its features, following the proper setup, checking performance, and reading real user experiences, you can make the most of this versatile device. It's not just a gadget, it's a productivity and lifestyle upgrade.